Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger not opening. If Messenger is not opening on your device, you can try the following steps or resolve the issue. First, you need to restart your device. Sometimes simply restarting your device can fix minor software issues that may be preventing Messenger from opening. And check for the app updates. Go to the Play Store and on the search icon look out for the Messenger app and tap on that, and ensure that you are using the latest version of the Messenger app. Go to your device's App Store or Google Play Store for Android and check for the updates. You could also try clearing the app cache and the data. Press the Messenger app like this, go to the app information and go to the storage and cache, and on the bottom there's a clear storage and clear cache option. Simply tap on that option, and this can resolve issues related to outdated or corrupted data. Or you could simply go to the Play Store and uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall back again from there. And if clear the cache and data does not work, this can often fix more complex issues. You could also check for your network issue. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Messenger requires an internet connection to function properly. Or ensure that your device have the latest system updates installed. Outdated source system software can sometimes cause app to malfunction as well. And if Messenger still does not open after trying these steps, there may be more significant issue with your device or the app itself. In that case, you may want to contact Messenger support or seek further assistance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.